Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and for today's cooking show we are going to be making Texas toast pizza. What you're going to need for that is some Texas toast. There is 8 slices of this here. Alright, you're going to need some pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperonis. So let's get this together and see how it all turns out, and I'm sure it should be good and fun and interesting. Alright, we'll see you in just a few minutes as I get everything set up here. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Texas toast out and put it on your baking sheet. Alright. I think this is going to be really good. I really enjoy eating the Texas toast. So whenever I'm having spaghetti and stuff, okay. Now, next thing we're gonna do there we go. Next thing, I'm just gonna use this Classico. I'm gonna give it a try. I found that the Ragu pizza sauce is a little bit too sweet for my liking. I'm gonna just put a little bit too much on that one. Probably did. So I'm just spread out. You just spread out your pizza sauce here on your Texas toast. And so we're gonna give it a try here, and I'm gonna try and find a pizza sauce that okay, there we go. We got the pizza sauce in there. I might have put a little bit too much on there, but it's still going to be good. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do here is just take your cheese, I'm just going to let it get on the cooking sheet too. It'll still be alright. This is the pizza blend. You can use this mozzarella, or this is a blend of mozzarella and mild cheddar cheese, which is good. I like having more than one thing of kind of cheese on my pizza. I'm gonna be stingy with the pizza. I got it all over the thing here, but you just take your pepperoni now. And as I got this going on, I got the oven preheating on 375. So that's already preheated. And you're going to want to put these, once you get these made up, you want to put them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm sure it's going to smell good when I have it going. These things already look really good. Alright, so we're going to have 8 little pieces here. Okay, there we go. Let me go put this in the oven, and I'll see you in about 5 to 7 minutes here. Okay guys, here you go. Okay, that took 7 minutes. I've let this cool a little bit. So, and they look good. So, let's give it a try here and see how they go. Alright, here we go. That turned out great. I'm going to even put it in a little bit longer too. But love the taste of the Texas toast and then the pizza. And the Classico pizza sauce has a great flavor. So that was what I was trying out for this one. So well, as you can see, this is something very simple for a snack or lunch or dinner thing that you can use for, so if you ever have some Texas toast lying around that's extra, or just want to have something interesting to make, this would be a good little quick, easy thing to make up. Don't take too long to cook. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this and hope you guys try to make this. Please take time to comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I got to get a cooking video out every Saturday morning. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing videos. Guys, remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to finish enjoying this and go take care of some other stuff. So I'll see you guys later.